there, it's Helen from Hell of a Cake, and today we are going to do the horseshoes from my Peaky Blinders cake. To start off, you will need 200 grams of chocolate in a horseshoe mould. Everything I use throughout the tutorial will be in the description box below. Now melt your chocolate in the microwave. What I do is roughly count to 20 and then take it out, stir it. If you need to do it again, just repeat it until all the lumps is removed. As you can see, I'm pouring the chocolate into the mould. This does smell divine, just like a chocolate fountain. Here we go again, horseshoe 2. Carefully push the chocolate into the mould on both horseshoes, then remove any excess. A handy little tip is just to tap the mould on the workbench to remove any trapped air in the chocolate. What I've done is left the horseshoe in the fridge overnight, and now I'm just carefully peeling back the mould so that the chocolate comes out easier. Moving on to the fun bit where everything comes to life by simply using edible dust. What I've done is covered the whole horseshoe in black, then used platinum to lighten it in places. Repeat this process on the other horseshoe. Here we have the finished Peaky Blinder horseshoes that look great on any Peaky Blinder cake. If you're interested in more designs, make sure to like the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Until next time.